How to fix Shopify login problems. If you're trying to log into your Shopify admin panel and keep getting stuck in an infinite redirect loop, hitting two-factor authentication errors, or facing account access issues, it can completely stop you from running your store. So these login glitches are usually caused by browser cookie conflicts, third-party extension blocks, or server session bugs. So firstly, we rule out the browser session corruption and extension conflicts. So in order to check this, you can just press Ctrl-Shift-N on your keyboard, or just go ahead and press three dots and you open up a new incognito window. And then you just head to your admin shopify.com and open up your store, obviously. And try logging in one more time with your account credentials. If login works cleanly inside incognito, your primary browser is holding onto corrupt cookies. So to fix this, you just click on the settings icon here, go to cookies and data, wait, not here, go to site settings, and in here choose delete data. Okay, just press here. As you can see, you'll be signed out, but all of the cookies and broken stuff will be deleted and you can start from fresh. And also if you use VPN, like for example Windscribe that I use sometimes, just turn it off temporarily. And if you still cannot log in across private windows also, let's verify that Shopify's servers are not down. So just open up a new tab and type in Shopify status. And check that the server is operational. So all systems operational. As you can see everywhere we have these green check marks, so Shopify is working correctly. And that is it. That is pretty much all you have to do. Try these fixes, guys, and enjoy.